When you first arrive on Stride Health, the homepage immediately makes it clear that this platform is built for people who are self-employed, freelance workers, or anyone without employer-sponsored health insurance. The design is simple and approachable, and right away you are invited to enter your zip code to begin comparing health plans available in your area. Stride Health positions itself as an independent broker that helps individuals navigate the complexity of the Affordable Care Act marketplace and supplemental coverage options. Once you begin entering your personal information, Stride Health asks about household size, income, and preferences. This is because the platform automatically calculates whether you qualify for subsidies through the ACA. The process is fairly straightforward, but for new users, it can feel like a lot of questions up front. The benefit is that you don't need to go to multiple websites or manually calculate subsidy eligibility. Stride Health does this for you. The platform also gives a clear breakdown of monthly premiums, deductibles, and out-of-pocket maximums. This is particularly helpful if you are trying to balance affordability with coverage quality. Compared to browsing directly on healthcare.gov, Stride Health's interface feels more user-friendly and less overwhelming. However, it's worth noting that while the design is polished, sometimes plan descriptions lack detailed information about provider networks, which could make it harder to verify if your preferred doctors are included. One of the standout features is that Stride Health not only shows health insurance plans, but also recommends dental and vision coverage. This is a major advantage for freelancers and independent workers who often don't have access to bundled benefits. You can add these to your selection, and the site will provide affordable plan options from well-known insurers. Many useful links you can find in the description. Another useful tool is the tax estimation calculator. Stride Health integrates the potential tax credit savings into your plan comparison so you can clearly see the real cost of each plan after subsidies. This can make a big difference, especially for people with fluctuating incomes. However, some users may find that Stride Health emphasizes cost savings more than network depth, which could be an issue if you need a very specific provider or specialist. Stride Health also offers support for gig economy workers, partnering with companies like Uber, DoorDash, and Instacart to help their drivers and couriers access insurance. This makes the platform particularly relevant if you earn your income through app-based work. The site also highlights additional benefits such as mileage tracking and tax deduction tools, though these are more of a bonus feature rather than the main focus. On the downside, while Stride Health is free to use, it is still a broker. That means the platform earns commission from insurance carriers when you sign up through them. This doesn't necessarily increase your costs, but it's important to recognize that the site may promote certain plans more prominently. Transparency in this area could be improved, as users should always know why some plans appear first. Overall, Stride Health is a strong resource if you are self-employed and looking for health insurance options without the stress of navigating multiple portals. It simplifies the process, offers competitive choices, and provides a user experience that is friendlier than government websites. At the same time, there are areas where more detail would be useful, particularly in provider networks and plan fine print. If you are someone who prioritizes convenience and guidance in your insurance search, Stride Health is definitely worth trying. But if you need absolute control over every detail, you might still want to double-check directly with insurers. If this review was helpful, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button so you don't miss future reviews and updates.